When you have to live out of your car, usually you're down on your luck, or you're just about to get a record deal like Jewel, but my friend Eli actually lived out of his Tesla in Europe for an entire week.
What an unbelievable adventure this has already been.
Tell everybody what it is that you do and what this whole My Tesla adventure is.
I am Eli. We don't operate like a club. There's no membership list, no membership dues. It's all about just owners getting together, networking, connecting, having a great time. I spent 7 days going through 7 countries, 2,000 kilometers, living out of the Tesla.
Welcome to My Tesla Adventure.
I am here at the top of the San Bernardino Pass, leaving Switzerland, about to work our way into Italy.
Well, this guy right here, Eli is his name. He made this comment, Adventures of Starman.
We both got our copies this week. So fun to read. I mean, I thought I was an Elon Musk fan. I am nowhere near the level of fan that Eli is. This is incredible.
Live in the city and you have places like this nearby, I strongly recommend taking advantage of it more often. Tesla owners are this really unique, kind of amazing community of forward-thinking, progressive people, and all we did was just put a name to it so we could put events so that people could have something official to meet around. It's really awesome to get away and just return to nature.
If you want to join the My Tesla Adventure community, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube at My Tesla Adventure.